Alrighty, so we're going to be doing some special tests for the lumbar spine and the sacrum today. So Brad, the first one we're going to do is called Yeoman's test.
Okay.
And it's going to be testing for SI pathologies or potential anterior ligament sprain.
Okay.
So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring your leg up into flexion, your knee into flexion. I'm going to stabilize on your back here, and I want you to tell me if you have any pain anywhere, okay?
Okay.
And while I do this test, I'm looking for any pain or anything like that. Okay, just relax for me. So I'm going to bring into full flexion, and I'm going to use my shoulders to stabilize. I'm going to grasp underneath the knee at the distal end of the femur. I'm going to stabilize, and I'm going to passively extend the hip while the knee is in flexion. Do you feel any pain, Brad?
No.
No. Okay. So if this test was positive for SI pathology, he would feel pain in the posterior side. If he felt pain in the anterior side, we'd be looking at a potential anterior ligament sprain. Next test we're going to do is called Pheasant, and this is looking for lumbar instability. So Brad, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply posterior force here. So I'm just going to press down from your lumbar spine into the bed. Okay. I'm going to bring your knees all the way into flexion, and what I want you to do is you tell me if you have any pain anywhere.
Okay.
So we'll just have to bring your knees together and just relax your legs. And so get a grasp on the feet. I'm going to apply a posterior force and flex all the way. And my attempt is to try to get the heels to the glutes. So this would also be positive for quad tightness because I can't get the heel to the bum. Do you have any pain anywhere, Brad?
Just a stretch.
It's just a stretch? Okay, good. So this test would be positive for lumbar instability if he felt pain in one or both of his legs during this test. Brad, I'm just going to get you to flip over. We're going to do what's called an SLR, or straight leg raise, and this is just going to be testing your hamstring length.
Okay.
So if at any point in time it's too painful, just let me know. We're going to test bilaterally, and your right leg was the one that was affected.
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to start with our left to compare bilaterally. So really all I'm going to be doing is just let your leg just hang in my hand. I'm going to stabilize at ASIS, and I'm going to passively flex the hip with a extended knee. Alrighty, and you feel any pain there, Brad?
Just a stretch.
Just a stretch? Okay.
Yep.
So he does have some hamstring tightness in that side, and we'll compare bilaterally. And stabilizing on ASIS. And flexing the hip. Any pain with that?
No, just
No?
a little stretching.
Alrighty, so sides were equal bilaterally, so that would be a negative test for hamstring length.